Hello, YouTubers. This is Cooking with Kelly. Okay, trying to get eating healthy. Okay, the last time I did some kind of a fruit salad. Sorry, um, and it was cucumbers and oranges, which was real good. And that's a good salad for the summer. It's real nice and cool. And you might want to try some of that pepper. I've been seeing on commercials with like the little chili or something, and you put it on fruit. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm gonna try it next time I make a fruit salad. What I really would love to have done, which is a good way to eat fruit, take bananas, oranges, and any other type of fruit you like, chop it up real good, and then kind of mix it up slightly, put it on a plate. And I like cinnamon. Cinnamon makes the flavor really come out. Sprinkle some cinnamon on it, and then add a little Cool Whip on top. I mean, I think that's something good I think kids like. Okay, but what I'm doing right now, steaming some veggies. This is my little veggie steamer pot. Okay, have to get a new one eventually, but because right here it had like a little switch or something, and you could open and close and make the steam stay in or stay out. But that broke. So I put some tape on it, so it's still working, okay? So what I'm steaming, which I love broccoli and carrots. So I'm steaming broccoli and carrots. And boy, they look good. You just get a bag of the baby carrots and some broccoli. It's frozen broccoli. And just put it in the steamer. Still kind of, it's not tender yet. So, like I say, I'm pushing on the carrots. The fork's not even going through. Not even with the broccoli. So I probably have to steam about a good 30 minutes. I usually like to set my timer and come back and check to see if it's tender enough. So, I'm going to put you on pause for a while, then come back. Probably another 10 minutes to see how it's going. See you shortly.